Turn it up. There you go. What's going on, fam? It's your boy Farmer Sydney here, and today we got a lot of things going on. Today we got some chickens that we're going to be packing up, get ready to go to the processor tomorrow. We got to move the sheep, but before we get to that,
You want some eggs?
now you gotta wash your hands.
Yeah.
Well, you had to wash your hands anyway, but still. You know you could just throw it in there.
I don't want to throw it in there, but I have to do what my name do. Hold on, boy. See, I have to do it shelf. This is already cracked. Hold on.
Well, see, you should just throw it in there.
Last one, guys. The last one. I'm about to crack it right here for you.
You're such a good helper.
I'm about to crack these
Oh my goodness, seriously? Well, we just finished feeding the pigs, and I kind of want to tell you about their setup. With the amount of rain that we've been getting, we've been moving them a lot more frequently than we normally do. It's been almost like 3 to 4 days, because if we leave them in there for, I think this was 7 days, it'll look like that. But as you can see, I'm not sure how much the camera is picking up. Let me come out here. How the differences of the lines from where the pigs haven't been on. I think the sheep just only been over there. Where the pigs have been right here, you can see how dark it is, and where the pigs haven't been. So that's one of the keys with this rotational grazing that we tried to do, is try to increase the soil health. Get this small basket right here in front, and so we can collect some eggs, okay? Oh, there we go, over here. Over there. Slowly drop it in there, nice and gently. There you go. Nailani asked me which one's a female, which one's a mommy, which one's a daddy. So these are Welsh Harlequin ducks. So you see where they're all white? Those are female ducks. You see that one with the black head and the curly tail? That's the male duck. That's the daddy duck.
I said, what are you doing, Daddy?
No, you said the daddy duck is supposed to stay with the mommy duck? Why is that?
Because he's supposed to make sure they open the egg.
Oh, no, that's the mama's job. She's going to lay on the eggs and then hatch them out, and then they take care of it. Unhook that.
Why do you do that?
You got to do that like that. There you go. Now get the egg. Slowly put it in there. Nice and soft. There you go. Make sure it latches, so we don't get no raccoons up in there. You know what I mean? You want a raccoon to eat your eggs? This was some more of the wind damage from last night. So the sheep been in here for about 4 days, so we're going to go ahead and move them. They got down most of all the stuff that we needed to get down. So now to move them off over to the next pasture.
Chuck E. Cheese.
Here's the eggs. I'll do it myself then. All right, so they'll probably be in here maybe 3 days at the most. We'll see. Today is Wednesday. Hopefully we can move them Saturday after we get back from the farmer's market. So here we have the rabbits. They're pretty much live. I got to get them some more food, but before we do that, we're gonna move them on to the next pasture right over there. All right, so they're on fresh new grass, got fresh new water, fresh new feed, and happy as can be. All right, until the next video, let's grow together.